Hi everyone, warm welcome to Skill Union Trade channel. My name is Mekti and we're going to talk about cryptocurrencies. What happened, what will happen, what are our thoughts on what is going to happen in the nearest future. Today is 17th August 2024. May I remind you that anything we say on our channel is not to be traded, is not to be done. It's just our ideas, our thoughts. If you need financial advice, you better get a professional to do that. As always, we'd like to start with cryptocurrencies number 1 and 2. This is Bitcoin and Ethereum. If we talk about Bitcoin at the beginning, we have to say that this week didn't show us any result of what is going to happen in the nearest future. We can see that the level of resistance of 61,325, which is basically exponential moving average 21, is still being a resistance level for it to break to show that there is bulls on the market and the price will still go up. I would rather prefer watching it go down to the support levels, and the closest support levels we have is basically the ones we had before, which is 54 to 51k. And if we go lower than that, the best one to start buying is 44,660, 44,700 level, which is about 50% correction on our move that we had from the last year. If we continue going down, you better look out for a 37 to 35,000 level correction, which is a good point to buy because we can see that there have been heavy buys at those levels, and I think the buyers are going to try to protect those levels in order for the price not to go even lower, which there's always a chance that we will. If we look at daily time frame, and we can see that yes, there is a moving average, 300 daily moving average, which is still being very supportive and holding it. Yet we can see that 60,000 still being a resistance level and is trying to break above it, can't do much. The orange line, which is exponential moving average 100, is still being a resistance, which is 62,300. If you remember the weekly time frame, it is about the same level. So what you can do right now is just wait for the price to go down to 44,700. The best place to buy it. That's what we're going to do. We keep on buying when it goes down, we sell it when it goes up. We've already sold what we bought at 51 and 54,000 at 60,000, so we'll see if the price will go even lower. And if you are doing a marginal trading, there's a daily time frame which is showing that you should have used your deposits, your margins, in order to buy more at 50 and 51,000. And I really hope that you actually did sell it at 62 and 60,000, because this kind of moves are always a chance for the buyers to try to push up and just get rid of the assets that they purchased, because they would like to have more cash when the price goes even down lower. If we short, if you're heavy for shorts and you love to do that, you really look out for the 50% correction, which is 61,500 level on Binance or any other futures. But be careful, because the price might still go up. There is a possibility for it to try to break the level of 65,000, 64,400 level, which is still being a good resistance. And the final resistance, which is mostly important, is about $68,000. $68,000 is the place where you either make it or fake it or break it, and that's it. Because if the price goes about 70,000, that means that there's a bull market going on and the price will still keep going up to maybe 95, 100,000 levels, the levels that you've been dreaming about. If what we do is, the best thing is just try to catch the bounces from the levels of support. This is also a chart for the futures trading. You could look out for 55. We actually placed the level of 54,000, trying to buy the dip if it dips down, and we can see that the highs are getting lower and lower while the lows are getting lower as well. We already had an opportunity to buy at 56,000. In case you bought it, you must always protect your positions with stop losses and taking profits. Or if you did not, you should be looking out to buy it at 55 and 54,000. That is much better supportive place for the price of Bitcoin right now. Ethereum is weak as well. I mean, it reached a level of 2,100 and tried to push up. It didn't actually make it up to the resistance levels of 2,800 or $3,000. There's a weakness on the market of altcoins as long as Ethereum as well. And you can always expect it to go lower. So we'll see if the price will actually make it back to 2,100 or $2,000. There's a good opportunity to buy there. Or if the price will try to push up, there is a good resistance levels at $2,800 and $3,000 respectively. If you look at the chart of Bitcoin to Ethereum, you can see how weak Ethereum is right now. I mean, going below 0.041 level, the one that we've been expecting for a very long time. Right now, we can see that the chart, there are a lot of volumes in the beginning of August. They actually broke it down. We talked about it last time, and we're actually expecting it to go even lower, up to the levels of 0.33, 0.31. This is a good levels to start buying Bitcoin in case you're traded, I mean Ethereum if traded to Bitcoin. Those are the things that we see right now, and there's a huge possibility that we actually will reach that levels if the bear market continues on crypto. The market dominance, the dominance of Bitcoin as well, is not showing a very good results. I mean, we broke down from the channel that we had, and the price has been trying to kick back in. Actually did in June, then it kicked back out again in July, and we all thought that it's a great opportunity. Maybe we can see some altcoins going up and maybe making some, I don't know, 100x, 10x, or even 2x would be great. But actually at the end of July, at the beginning of August, we've seen it go back into the channel, and like right now it's holding inside and trying to show new highs, meaning that the money is not flowing from Bitcoin or from outside the markets into altcoins, rather than the market is flowing from altcoins into Bitcoin just to support the price it's been holding right now so far. So I would not expect much moves from the altcoins. I mean, I would move back from altcoins. In case you're buying them, I would rather be looking for the dips as 95, 96, 98, 99% from the all-time highs in order to buy some altcoins. Where I would expect the market dominance to turn back is probably the 60% level. Once it reaches the 60%, I think that a lot of money will start moving out from Bitcoin to altcoins just to make some profits, because you could see a lot of altcoins on a very low prices relatively to Bitcoin, and that's an opportunity for the market players to play that game. And as usual, we keep on going talking about altcoins. Altcoins on this market are feeling not very well. I mean, they're going down heavily. First one is BNB with a market cap of more than $10 billion. This is one of the altcoins that we review. We can see that the price is trying to reach to the 551 resistance level. It hasn't reached so far, but there is a possibility it will not be able to do that, and the price might go even lower, trying to catch up the next support level at 360 or maybe even lower, 275, 252. In case you're looking forward to short this coin, you should be looking out for the levels of $600 and $650, but be aware that in case the price goes about $675, you should have a stop loss on that position as it's been too far high. This is not much to say about BNB. Really hope that the exchange works well, because it's been spreading, and right now, as we talked about this week with a lot of our colleagues, they have extended their operations and they're working in India. That might be a good sign for it try to go up and break the 550, but I would really prefer it to go lower so we could buy more. The next one is Solana. Solana has met the resistance level at 160 and it's been going down since then, lower and lower. I would not be looking forward to buy 130 level, although I have a position. I've been trading it heavily right now, and I really would like to get more Solana because there might be a huge progress in this coin. The best place to start buying in case you haven't got any is about 99 to 91 level. It might go even lower to 60, but right now the closest level of support that it might probably reach is about $99 to $91 per coin. And since then, if you buy some, be ready to sell it with 30% profit at $130 per coin. The next one is XRP. Although there were some good news that they won a case with SEC, we can see that the price of XRP has not made much development since then. I mean, it's holding 55, 56 level, and it's pretty good. Still haven't made it to 69, 75 level of resistance, and their possibility that it actually will still exists, and you should be ready to sell it in case you got some at 46, 42. But be sure that in case it does not do that and breaks below the 42 cents level, the next level of support is 28 cents for the XRP coin. So in case everything goes south on crypto market, that's the place to buy XRP. The next one is Toncoin. Although there were some great news about Ton and a lot of listings and the new exchanges that has been accepting, like Binance accepted Toncoin and has been trading on spot. It tried to break the $7 resistance level. Loved this level. I mean, it plays with $7, and there's a lot of sellers right now standing on $7, trying to protect it and show it as the resistance. In case you've been trading futures, you might have been stopped out, because although there were a lot of people trying to sell it at 685, 680 level, and the price has been going down, right after the news they took out all the stop losses that were above 685 level, actually made it above 7, yet came back, and you can actually see that 7 to 685 has been a level of resistance, and the price would rather go down. Where I would like to buy some more Ton, well, starting from $4 up to $3, this is a best opportunity you could get in case you think that Telegram itself is a good wallet and you actually can store your crypto, use your crypto, trade your crypto using Telegram. Toncoin is one of the things that you must have in order to do so. Next one is Dogecoin. Sorry to say it, guys, but like 10 cents is a real resistance right now. There's a low possibility that it will actually break it, and it still haven't shown any signs that Elon Musk is actually going to force that coin and make the price go up for Dogecoin. So I would rather be looking forward what will happen with the price of Dogecoin once it goes to 7 cents. This is a good opportunity because it's about 90% correction level, and you can actually try to buy some Dogecoin there, maybe fix in some profits when it goes back to 10 cents again. But right now there is a low possibility it will break the 10 cents level. It would rather go lower and lower if the market goes down. In case it breaks the 10 cents level, I mean, there's a 14 level of resistance we can clearly see right now. There's about 13.5 level of resistance we can see, but we'll talk more about that once it actually breaks the 10 cents level. Right now there's nothing to talk about. Next one is Cardano. Cardano is actually reaching the level of interesting prices. That's what we call the levels between 90 to 99% correction, and this is a good opportunity. I mean, you can have a net of buys and sells orders to accumulate more Cardano in case you think that Cardano is going to live well, and you just buy it lower and sell it more expensive. Like, difference should be about 5 to 6%. Just buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Even 1 cent is more than enough just to show that difference, and you can accumulate Cardano at your wallet and maybe even stake it. But once it goes down below 31 cents. So far, we'll still wait for that one to happen, but maybe if it will go down below 20, it will be out of our charts because its market cap is going to go well below $10 billion. The last one, Justin, thank you very much for trying to do something with the coin, trying to push the price down. Unfortunately, the price for Tron is still going up, and we can see 13.75 cents, 13.7 cents basically, as being a level of resistance. In case you bought it, watching our charts, watching our videos, you bought some at 12 cents, you're a lucky guy because you should be ready to sell with a 13% profit at 13.75 cents. Basically, this is the closest level of resistance. After that, we have a lower high of the bull run of 2021, which is 18 cents. I really don't think we're going to manage to do that in one time, but as Tron continues to develop, there's a new platform called something related to Sun. Basically, you can all create your tokens on Tron network and make payments through it. There should be commissions, and as Tron is getting more expensive, the commissions will get more expensive. So I think they would rather push the price down. But being a very manipulative coin, done mostly by Justin Sun, I think he needs to accumulate a little bit more sell it to the public, make the price go down, and maybe, only then, maybe he can buy some more Bitcoin to hold into. So Justin, have a good one. We really respect you and love you very much. Thank you for creating such a great coin, and everybody uses USDT on Tron. So far it's been the cheapest one, but I think Solana is going to break the record. I mean, BNB already does. And the last part is the altcoins that are bullish to Bitcoin. Basically, they've been trading above the specific moving averages and show that the price of those coins are bullish related to Bitcoin. And in case it's bullish to Bitcoin, must be bullish to USDT as well. So the two of them, which is Solana that we talked about already, and I'm going to buy a lot of it. We can also say the Mantra DAO is also very bullish, and we can see that the price has been going down lately. I mean, it's trading between 87 to 95 cents. It's a good local period just to trade that coin. But in case you're looking forward to buy it and looking for the place where should you buy it, I mean, 70 cents is the good place to start accumulating this coin up to like 55-54 cents. In case you buy it at 70 cents, sell some at 87 to 88 cents. You can make like 23 to 25% profit. In case you manage to buy it at 55 cents, you can sell it at 70, making 30% profit on that trade. Those are easy trades that are happening. I mean, don't put much money into it. I have the coin, and the average price for my bag of those coins is like minus something, like it's very, very low, because I've been accumulating it since 2021, 2022 even. And for most of that time, I've accumulated much. I've already made 100% of it. So it's not a financial advice, never go for it. But like, if I would do it, and I will actually do it, I will buy some at 70 cents and sell at 88. Same as I will buy at 55 and I'll sell it at 70 as well. Also, would like to remind you that there is a link down below for a BLUM app on Telegram. That's a pretty cool thing. You can always create an account and trade. In the future, you would be able to trade cryptocurrencies on Telegram. That would be great. That's one of the decentralized exchanges in future. We really hope the team works well on that project and they will actually launch their product soon. But so far, you can get a free coins just by joining BLUM network, just by clicking the link down below. Hope you do that. So far, it's been all for the cryptocurrencies for this week. It's been very nice to see you, and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to press the like button and the bell button not to miss our shows. See you next time. Bye.